today I'll be doing the unboxing of the Owltron 2-pack Wi-Fi enabled smart indoor camera. I'm really excited to do this unboxing, very excited. As you can see here, it's got night vision, so that's a major plus in any type of indoor camera that you're looking for. And there's also two-way audio. There are more features, but I'll get into that later on. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so first things first, we'll talk about motion detection. So with this, you get alerts every time there is a motion that the camera senses. That is awesome. Everything can be detected via the app. So literally, you're going to get an alert and motion has been detected. That's a plus, literally. There's two-way audio. You just zoom in. So two-way audio, you literally can hear when the person is speaking and they can hear when you are talking as well. So this is perfect for if you've got children. You can just literally keep an eye on them, speak to them, and they can speak to you through that. Everything is encrypted, so therefore it's safe on the platform. Okay, so in regards to cloud storage, it has a really great storage. Everything is all on the cloud. Also, it supports 128 gigabytes worth of micro SD card. So if you've got a micro SD card, it can literally fit in, and it supports it. That's great. Did I mention it's high definition? You can see everything clearly. Also, this supports Alexa. So if you have Alexa and you're wanting an actual camera that can go with it and support it, this is the camera for you. Let's show you inside.
Okay, so first things first, you have the instruction manual, which shows you how the cameras work and it shows you all the components inside. There's also the app, which is easy to set up, but we'll get back to that in a moment. So we have the first camera here. Right, the back there's the audio, and on the side you've got the micro SD card that goes in there, where the adapter goes right below. We've got two adapters as we have two cameras. This is the other camera. As you can see, very sturdy, very great quality. We have the adapters now. So we have two adapters for both of the smart cameras. So also comes with a drill set. So if you are looking to drill, this is great and perfect to have within the set. There also comes the drill placements, so you know exactly where you can actually drill, how far and how wide. That's a plus. As you can see from the video, the camera can move multiple directions, up and down, on the side, left and right, and trust me, it's very durable, very strong. Also available in the set are the stickers, and these stickers are double-sided so they can stick wherever you desire and wish to place them. They just go right underneath the camera and they can stick like that. So with the app, it's really easy and very simple to set up. Once all your details are completed, you actually have to, as you can see from the video, and this can be hooked up via Bluetooth, which is very handy also. So once that's all been set up for you, very quickly, very simple, you can now start seeing everything. I was very surprised at how clear this camera was, very clear, and you can see me actually trying to demonstrate, and you can see my hands. You can also see that it's motion detection, so the motion has detected me. Great. I highly recommend getting this indoor camera. This is a great purchase, and I definitely recommend. Thank you for watching this unboxing.